Okay, I want everyone to listen. Lingkod unya paminaw.
Ikaw na lang si Man. Ikaw na lang si Man.
Dili sila mag-present kung dili mo mohilom o dili mo molingkod.
Pwede din ba? Ano ito yung tapos ka short?
Okay na.
I like this soup. It's so young yet healthy.
Okay.
I like this soup. It's so young.
Wait lang.
Namin like 3 conversations different.
Okay, kindly listen and sit down. Sa mga wala kasabot, hilom og paminaw. Sige, o if dili jud mo muhilom, minusan na lang tamutanan. Respeto daw sa mag-ano diri mag-present. Wala gani mo hinimo dira Nya dili pa mo maminaw. Kaganina ako alang gihangyo, maminaw lang mo. Nya dili man mo gusto maminaw, mag-minus na lang ko para maminaw mo. Sa gusto jud mo mag-minus pa ko. Sige kuya, kindly kanang kusga yung tingog.
I like this soup. It's so young yet healthy.
It is good, but it is high in sodium.
Yeah, but it has lack of veggies.
True, but it's not cheap nor easy to make.
Okay, don't you like it?
I do. I am just being honest.
Okay, unsa to na conjunction yung gigamit?
Coordinating.
Coordinating like
One.
unsa to siya? Sa yung gamit? Yet,
Nor.
nor,
But
but, sa pa, walang,
not. I know.
More.
nor.
Do.
More.
Okay, so next.
Next.
Kindly put that one on one whole sheet of paper and then kindly put your names.
Where will you go for summer? I am not sure yet. I will go to the beach or the lake. I don't know. My son has school. He has school in summer. Yeah, he has to go to school this summer or he will not graduate. Ma'am, or I think he has to go.
Unsa na
Has,
unsa yung gigamit has,
but, ma'am.
for,
Yes.
yan. Okay, next.